Abantu 15 nibo bafire bwanyuma y'enjoro kugwa nyingi kandi mutunga gahigura maka omucyaro cya Kasika omugombora ya Rukoki omu district ya KASESE no kusyana hati embera tekaterire kandi abantu bakino kutina nko kubarabeho bwanyuma y'ebintu byabo kucwekerera.
No, we didn't get anything where we slept because our houses always were swept with the rain. We didn't get even anything to eat.
Emere tubaina okusula tubaina kugamba bali traumatized n'emitwe yabo tekyakola bulungi n'obomubuza kata tayina kisobola kutegeeza.
The government has not yet given us anything.
Gideon Thembo mujungu oryo myishengero w'ekicwekeki na government yasindikira obuhwezi kandi abatura nibija kuhwerwa.
Tuine posho kilogramu mutwaro gumwe n'engumi na bitano eriyo neza kuika abantu hati. Tuine ebihimba kilo 52 nabyo twaza kubihereza abantu. Nobundo obuhwezi buriyo ni bwija ningira aho tukuza kumaririza oberi obuhwezi niba tuine obukumara.
Buruka eferirwe omuntu nibaza kuhebwa miliyoni 5 kandi abatungira obufuta kandi bari mu irwariro nibija kuhebwa miliyoni 1 okuruga mu government.
We are working on the data to get clearly the names of the people who are deceased, the people hospitalized, and communicate and the contacts of these families and individuals, give them to the Prime Minister so that the resources then can be transferred appropriately.
Twaikahirwaro rya St. Paul's aho abana bato bari kujanjabirwa kandi bariyo no baterera.
We stabilized them except one who is a 13-year-old female who sustained major injuries of the cervical area and is due for X-ray. The rest of the children sustained multiple bruises of the body. We are continuing with the dressing of the bruises.
Ebigwererezi nkebi byosere nova home district ya KASESE kandi obwa hata bebembeze nibenda abantu abari kutura mu nshozi n'empanga okurugayo aho naho. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri KASESE.